Another feature that has changed, but it came later in the Standard Auto series, not with the Mark II, was that the plunger that holds the extractor has a long tail on it, and the hole for it extends clear back into the hole for this firing pin retaining pin. And it limits how far back the extractor can move. Now on this gun, if we have a blowout, remember if for some reason the cartridge should go off before the gun was completely locked up, or we had a defective case and it blew out at the side, the hot flaming gases may well blow the extractor right out of the gun. With the grips off, we can push out the pins that hold the hammer and sear systems in place. Push out the hammer pin first. They come out either direction, so it doesn't matter which way you drive it. And then you can lift out the hammer assembly. The disconnector will come with it, you see. And take the hammer away. The hammer has a strut. The strut pin is usually tight. We don't normally take it out. It has a bushing. For cleaning, we would take that out. Now the sear is held in by a cross pin matching piece in the barrel. Goes like that. It pulls it down and in time gets a little loose. Now the way to tighten it, and there's two ways. If we push it down and get a little side motion, and I get a little, you can hear that, this way, that means that the saddle is too wide. So we're going to squeeze this together just a little bit so that that'll hold that so that the sides of the saddle bear on the sides of the upper receiver and prevent it from going like this and wobbling. And we do that in a vise. Then for the target gun that has a bull barrel, and you're serious about your competition shooting, this is a muzzle brake that fits over the bull barrel, clamps to it, and the gases come out and deflect up and out some and help to reduce muzzle jump. Now frankly, I think the weight does as much as anything else, but in theory at least, the gas is supposed to help push this down. I have shot target pistols that have something like this on them, and they do work. They do make your recovery a little bit faster. I'm not saying it's magic, but it does help. And then for those of you who are serious about your target shooting, we have a B-square scope mount. And that slips with the receiver and clamps down, and you mount a scope with Weaver rings on it. And get an intermediate or long eye relief scope, and you've got a pistol that's capable of quite good accuracy.